already here at Taman Burung TMII, and we're going to make sure and look at the structure of the aviary, or we can call Taman Burung ya, in Indonesia. This aviary has two sides, the west side and the east side, and it is contain all of the kind of animals, birds in Indonesia. And it's got two parts. It is from so east means it is from the east of Indonesia, and the west is from the west of Indonesia. And this is the entering. It has a little goa in here. This is the east side. You can see the aviary is really large. So I came here with my friends from the college and my lecturer here, and the mission is we have to study about the structure in this aviary and write everything, record everything. And this is me. Yeah, this is the entering from the aviary. It has the like a metal. It's not a metal, but it's steel, and it is quite heavy. So we have to capture everything, what kind of birds live in there, how their habitat is, and how to know about the building. I got some information, like in one dome it has 300 until 400 birds living there, and the total of the dome, it contains almost 1,000 plus more. Yeah, that's quite a lot. It has 7 domes in total, and we have to see 5 domes of the 7 because we have been separated to 2 groups. In here we have to identify the structure, I mean like the shape of it, why it's triangle, or what is the material that they're using, and how they can connect the one material to another material. And we have to like identify the water, or how can they survive, or like how this building can make them feel safe.
Kayak dia kenal sama lu deh. Ya, dikacangin.
It's quite hot there, but but it's enjoyable. Like we have opportunity to make a contact with birds. It's very, very unique. Yeah, that's the last, and we have to go back, and we're gonna close this study, and everyone is getting tired, and I'm riding a shuttle going to the basement. So around TMII, or we can call Taman Mini in Indonesia, there are lots of buildings that is considered as like a replica of traditional Indonesian houses, like from every cities in Indonesia. So the view is really, really good. It gives you vibes like it's an old Indonesia, like a traditional one, a unique one. Enjoy the view. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video and it makes you feel better. Goodbye.